She sniffs Shaggy Prince Ferret. He sucks his sweet kitten. Okay. The bunny licks my spunky little fish princess puppy. There's the bunny. Licking the princess puppy. Fluffy sniffs friendly, gentle, frisky, spoiled rat. There's the rat and there's Fluffy. Oh, yeah, that makes it clear. Shy cat always scratches baby. There's the baby.
We don't have the cat.
Stop. Big penis, yeah. Dog sleeps with bird. Now this is Calin's greatest, man. Apparently that's a bird. It has tits. There's the dog's penis, and that's fucking... And 1877 Petopia is excitable and funky, finicky, greets and begs for crack. And there's idiot Steve signature in ours.
Yeah, wow.
April 8th, 2005, 1 a.m. Eastern time.
Obviously, we don't want to get that mixed up.
Question mark, symbolizing all of this. Okay.
Yeah, hold on. Alright, I'm gonna... my biggest masterpiece yet. It's gonna be a tough one with my skill.
Big baby penis.
No.
In fact, we should make a copy of this tape right now and leave it on Mike's desk. And Mike should be like, watch this for enjoyment.
Looks like a cat. Nice.
It's... it looks...
I'm laughing! This is hard enough as it is.
Is this thing on crack or something?
Those are some cut legs.
Is this kitty lowered to the ground?
What?
What the hell?
The hell? Oh my god.
What the hell?
That's a penis.
Apparently that's the cat scratching the baby soft penis.
That's the paw of the cat. Those are the claws.
Okay.
That's the baby.
This is one deformed fucked up cat.
It's like
I've been searching my head so we can scratch the fucking
hot
baby.
dog cat.
Wow, this cat hasn't been enhanced at all.
Is that even an arrow? Thanks for making it clear. Alright. Here's the masterpiece in all its glory.
It's gonna be Mike's this Shaggy Prince Ferret. What? Oh.
What the hell?
And she's wearing a thong.
Wow!
It's like a big face with a head.
She sniffs Shaggy Prince. What the can you draw a Shaggy Prince Ferret?
No.
Fluffy isn't really sniffing. Well,
I'll go with the smell.
How do we know the rat's friendly, gentle, frisky, and spoiled?
It's smiling.
I guess, yeah, that's just...
You could have smell coming up.
Draw wavy lines from the rat to the cat's... Yeah, like smell thing. There you go. Man, that's art. Okay, now it's brainwaves.
No, but basically, huh? Like basically, right?
Your roommate's gonna love
Zoom. Hold on.
In fact, you should just call the entire thing black.
this. The hell?
That's
It's
a
a
cat.
I know, but why inside?
Why is a cat
Tiny
inside of
eyes.
It's It's like Hello Kitty. Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh my god!
It's like a pig. With whiskers.
Oh, it's pig cat.
It's sniffing. It's sniffing. It's going into the nose.
It's an intake.
Get it?
Writing it out.
Thanks for
Calin, smile for the camera.
So,
Shaggy Prince.
As you can see, we have a lovely masterpiece here.
well, let's draw the prince.
Oh, good
I'm
God.
gonna start with the crown.
That is one fucked up crown.
He's supposed to be a ferret, just remember.
Actually, you know what I was thinking was a little bit different. Anyway.
So he's fat.
No, the point is, right? He's definitely a prince because he has a crown, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
What the?
anyway, that's Scooby-Doo making him Shaggy because they're all hanging out. So there, Shaggy is explained by that, and the ferret, just fuck the ferret.
Wow.
You go.
Okay.
You can draw it because I really
So
don't
yeah,
know how to
that's
draw.
Scooby, and I guess no more ferret.
Wow!
All right.
Oh! You still have to draw the 1877 Petopia and the Finky Greet. I understand crack. Until he moves out, or I do.